Welcome back to Car Updater. Today, we're diving into the epitome of automotive luxury, the 2025 Rolls-Royce Phantom. The Rolls-Royce Phantom has long been a symbol of opulence and engineering excellence. The 2025 model continues this legacy, offering unparalleled craftsmanship and performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Phantom houses a 6.75-liter V12 engine, delivering 563 horsepower. This powertrain ensures a smooth and powerful driving experience, befitting the Phantom's prestigious reputation. Inside, the cabin is adorned with hand-stitched leather, bespoke wood veneers, and state-of-the-art technology. Rear seat passengers are treated to power-adjustable seats with massage functions, a beverage refrigerator, and an advanced infotainment system. In terms of dimensions, the Phantom measures 227.2 inches in length, 79.4 inches in width, and 64.8 inches in height, with a wheelbase of 139.8 inches. This substantial size contributes to its commanding road presence and spacious interior. Safety hasn't been overlooked. The 2025 Phantom comes equipped with forward collision warning, lane departure alert, and an optional night vision system, ensuring peace of mind on every journey. Now, let's talk about the expected price. In the United States, the 2025 Rolls-Royce Phantom is anticipated to start at around $515,000, with higher trims reaching up to $595,000. In Pakistan, the price is expected to be approximately 144,840,000 Pakistani rupees, with the Phantom Extended variant priced at 159,040,000 Pakistani rupees. For those seeking the pinnacle of luxury, the 2025 Rolls-Royce Phantom remains the ultimate choice. Its blend of timeless design, advanced technology, and bespoke features ensures it stands apart in the world of luxury automobiles. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the 2025 Rolls-Royce Phantom. Stay tuned to Car Updater for more insights into the world's most exclusive vehicles.